so big, and it can be used for everyone and every job that you have in every company. And my first question I just had to someone is, has anyone, by the way, jumped on the internet and tried to get on a artificial intelligence site? Any comments in terms of Veronica? Why?
I love it. I get all day.
Can you stand up a little more so we all can hear you, Veronica?
Sure. So AI is here and it's here to stay. And if you don't go with the flow, you're going to be left behind. I use it all the time for title. If an agent is calling me and saying, hey, I need to know about more of these, I just type it in there and boom, I send it to them. It's extremely easy to use, but it's just so much information, and I think it's here to replace a lot of bodies. That's just how I see it.
May I ask which site you use or which?
I'm using ChatGPT. I have the system in my laptop, and I also have the app. Because as you know, I drive from one appointment to another. So if somebody needs information and I don't have it right away, I can just go in the app and type it and send it to them.